Willie, what do you want to share something? What do you want to do? Tell us a story. Say some poetry. Sing us a song. We were talking about K-pop earlier. Karaoke.
Well, no, I have a quick video here. I think it might be cool. I think it might overshadow karaoke.
But will it overshadow? Can your video beat the 18 karat gold AirPod?
It is pretty cool. It is pretty cool.
You're talking big time today.
Yeah.
You brought it today.
And you might have seen this.
I thought you were snoozing over there.
Yeah.
You could have been.
A little bit.
But it turns out you're awake now.
Mm-hmm.
My goodness, I'm worried.
I got a couple of words.
All right, let's see it.
Have you heard of Vantablack?
Yeah, of course. I already saw this video. How dare you? It is cool, though. It is cool. I should have shown it. It is very cool.
So this is like a marketing campaign from BMW and I guess the people who make Vantablack. But should we talk about how Vantablack, like what it is? It's basically just a material that...
it's a paint. It can be a paint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a spray paint as well. Like if you shine light on it, it's still black.
It absorbs all of it.
It's the blackest material ever created.
Vantablack is a super black coating that holds the world record as the darkest man-made substance. It absorbs 99.96 of its light. It's okay, so I watched not only the video you were just watching, but I also watched an actual like walk-around video by an automotive guy who's just previewing the car. And the one they're showing off is the Vantablack one.
Right.
And he's not allowed to touch the car because it's a gritty kind of surface. It has
there's no shine to it, I would imagine. Right?
It has a texture to it. It's like a sandy kind of texture almost. And it's necessary for it to have these absorbent properties.
It just looks really strange, even on camera, because it looks like there's like blackness.
I heard it looks even,
the
guy said it looks even weirder in real life. He said it looks like a Photoshop in real life. It looks like you're looking at Photoshop in real life.
Like some sort of error or correction.
Oh, I didn't see, actually, you know what? I did not see them. I did not see this video. I saw a different one.
So BMW, I should say, is the one that made this.
Oh yeah, the car is the new X6, by the way, as well. Yeah,
new series. And it's a marketing campaign where they didn't want to show the body of the X6, so they painted it Vantablack.
Genius.
To kind of show the curves of it, but not the actual.
Not to give it away. So typically, what they do in the automotive business, they put camo, a type of like weird camo on the outside of a car, so that that you can't really see all the lines and details. It's not fully exposed. But this is way cooler than that.
Yeah, it looks sick.
That's a different type of camo.
Imagine seeing that like on the highway or something.
Now, the other reason that this was particularly good for this vehicle is because they just introduced this illuminated grille on the front of the car also. And so it really pops against the absence of light in the Vantablack. So the front grille has the lighting in it, not just the headlights. So you see the shapes really stand out. It's like you know what it's like? It's like a silhouette all the time.
Yes, exactly.
It's like a constant silhouette. It's so bizarre. You should definitely go check out this video as well, this Vantablack stuff. It's unbelievable. Your eyes don't understand. It feels like a trick. It is not a trick. It's actually happening. Will, see if you can quickly bring up the video with the guy who's walking around it. Yeah, just give it a search, and I'll tell you which thumbnail it is.
Is it this guy?
That'll work. That'll work. I think I watched a different guy. They had a few different automotive journals. It doesn't look real. It looks like he's standing in front of a picture. And the guy goes and walks around it, and you start to really appreciate it's absolutely real. And they try to shine a light. At least the guy that I watch, he tries to shine a light on it.
It's just
to try
black.
To show you what the texture is like, but it just swallows the light up. It's like a black hole. I'm not sure I would ever really want my car this color because you are going to get so much attention. You're going to get more attention with Vantablack than bright yellow.
Yeah, it might cause some accidents on the road.
Yeah.
It's like, what?
Yeah, you might cause an accident because a person's just going to be tripping out looking at the thing. So it's incredible. Cool marketing campaign. Got
Very
us
cool.
talking, got people talking, did the job. New BMW X6, Vantablack. You can cut it there, Kirk.